again, here's our parietal layer of our Bowman's capsule, and they've actually made the podocytes here the same color, so you know that this is the visceral layer of the capsule. Again, made of podocytes. Here it's been stripped off, and we're looking at the glomerulus. Here's the afferent arteriole coming in. Here's the efferent arteriole coming out. We see the glomerular cells a little easier here, and we can see how some of them would touch the efferent arteriole as well. The other one doesn't show it as cleanly over here. And now we see the macula densa presentation. The cells look a little different over on this side than on this side. So macula densa, juxtaglomerular cells, juxtaglomerular apparatus. Now, to follow this through here, what are we looking at? Okay, we see the pink here, or whatever the salmon color, is the beginning of the PCT. So here we are in the proximal convoluted tubule, which is orange over here. But this is the beginning of the proximal convoluted tubule. This is proximal convoluted tubule. And then we start going down the descending limb. Now you can see that this is the same color as this, so this is actually the descending limb of the loop of Henle. We get down to the lower portion and we see it changes color here. It's a very thin thing. So this is actually the lower limb of the descending limb of the loop of Henle, and then we start coming up the other side. Indeed, this is not tubular stuff. This is going to be distal convoluted tubule. So this right here is the upper portion of the ascending limb. This is just very big. This is distal convoluted tubule, and it dumps into the collecting duct. Got it? So this is the beginning of the PCT. This is tubular material. So this is PCT. Beginning of the PCT. This is the tubular portion of the descending limb of the loop of Henle. Down over here we have the end of the loop of Henle, and we're coming up the other side. We're all the way up here, right at the juncture of the afferent arteriole and the tubule here. It's either, again, you can either call this the upper portion of the ascending limb or the beginning of the DCT. I don't care what you call it. And then we go into the DCT, which is right here, and then this dumps into the collecting duct, which is right here. Any questions? Learn it.